Alright, good day guys! Welcome back to my channel for today's video. Magre-review tayo ngayon ng Apple Airpods OEM. As you can see, this is unboxing box. It comes with the plastic. And today, bibigyan ko kayo ng good updates about this product. About OEM from Apple. We bought it already from Green Hills. So let's see inside the box. So ito yung product. Okay, let's open it using our screwdriver with the knife. And then packing, as you can see, naka-box pa ito with plastic wrap. Okay, unpacking. And this is the item. Okay, this is an OEM product of Apple. Inside the box we have the instruction guide. Okay, quick start guide. Okay, that's a basic. Okay, balik muna natin. Okay, this is the product item. Comes with white Airpods with plastic. So as you can see, no, balot na balot ito ng plastic. This is a brand new OEM from Apple Airpods. Okay, let's open it. Yan, okay. Oh, ganda ng packing. So yan yung item. Napakaganda. Yeah, so yan siya, left and right with the noise cancellation and touch button. Hope you like it. Don't forget to subscribe and like my YouTube channel. Thank you.